Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your OnePlus Pad 2 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the brightness in the settings. So go to settings. Now let me quickly go to the display and brightness. And here, disable the automatic brightness. And simply adjust it. So after you adjust it to however you'd like to, then make sure to download the screen dimmer app from the Play Store. So Play Store is right here, and what you guys need to search for is a screen dimmer and then OLED saver. So as you guys can see, it's right here. Let's click install. It's only 2 megabytes. It installed instantly. So now let's click open and let's grant permissions for the app. So first we need to enable the modify system settings permission, and now let's grant the accessibility in the downloaded apps. Go to screen dimmer and now enable the screen dimmer. Click allow, and now go back here, grant permissions for notifications, and that's it. Now you guys can easily enable the service. And here you can click on A to manually adjust it. As you guys can see, here we can basically get rid of anything. It works perfectly fine. So after that, what you guys can do is check for software updates in the settings. So it can actually fix screen flickering, but you need to make sure that you do not have the latest update. So go to system and update, now go to software update, and here make sure that you're running the latest version of the Oxygen OS. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.